Hey everyone, welcome to the Spice Lab. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to prepare your watermelon drink in 4 different ways to beat this summer heat. Enjoy these super refreshing and hydrating drinks and don't forget to subscribe below. So first I start off with the watermelon juice for our drinks. I have used 1 watermelon peeled and cubed for the juice and for garnishing the drinks. Add the pieces to the blender and blend for half a minute. Strain the juice through a mesh sieve in a bowl and chill for an hour. We begin with our first drink, that's Mohabbat Ka Sharbat. In a wide bowl, add 1 cup milk, 1 tablespoon sugar, 2 tablespoons of rose syrup, stir this mixture well. Now add in your fresh watermelon juice, 1 cup. Give it a quick stir again. This can be served in a half cup watermelon, as I have, or you can also serve it in a tall glass. Now you need to garnish this with chopped watermelon pieces and ice cubes. Mohabbat Ka Sharbat is ready. Now we begin with our second drink, the watermelon Roohafza. In a glass, add ice cubes, 2 tablespoons of Roofhafza, fine chopped watermelon pieces, and chilled water. Stir it well before drinking so the Roohafza mixes with the watermelon cubes. And it's ready. My third drink is the watermelon Sabjha Soda. Add ice cubes into your glass. Add in the chopped watermelon pieces, about 2 to 3 tablespoons. Add in 2 tablespoons of sabja, 1 cup watermelon juice, and half a cup chilled soda. Your fizzy drink is now ready to be served. Enjoy. The last drink is one of my favorite, the watermelon Mojito. Add in 3 to 4 slices of lime in a glass, few mint leaves, a tablespoon of fresh lime juice, 2 teaspoons of chopped watermelon pieces, 1 cup watermelon juice, 1 cup of chilled lime soda. And your refreshing watermelon mojito is ready. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.